Class 11th, Subject Physics, second chapter, Mathematical Methods. Mathematical Methods. From the chapter, let us see numericals from exercise. Numericals from exercise, and these numericals are from question 2 from the exercise. Then the numerical number 1 is given as show that factor A equal to I cap minus j cap by root 2 is a unit factor. So we have to prove that this given factor A is the unit factor. We know that unit factor is the factor whose magnitude is equal to 1, and therefore in order to prove that this factor A is unit factor, we will have to find out its magnitude. If that magnitude is equal to 1, then this factor will be a unit factor. Therefore, this factor A will be first written as factor A equal to I by root 2, that is I cap by root 2 minus j cap by root 2. I cap by root 2 minus j cap by root 2, separating this denominator. And therefore, magnitude of this factor A, that is A is equal to magnitude of factor A, will be equal to square root of. This will be found by ax square plus ay square. Square root of ax square plus ay square, but ax is 1 by root 2, ay is also 1 by root 2, and therefore we can write square root of 1 by root 2 square plus 1 by root 2 square, which comes out to be square root of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to square root of 1, and square root of 1 is equal to 1. So magnitude of this factor A is equal to 1, and therefore we can say that factor A is a unit factor. Factor A is a unit factor. Then let us see numerical number 2, which is given as if factor phi1 equal to 3i cap plus 4j cap plus k cap, and factor phi2 equal to I cap minus j cap minus k cap, determine the magnitude of factor phi1 plus factor phi2. And therefore for this numerical, the given data is factor phi1 equal to 3i cap plus 4j cap plus k cap, and factor phi2 equal to I cap minus j cap minus k cap. And we have to find out magnitude of factor phi1 plus factor phi2. Therefore, first of all, we will find factor phi1 plus factor phi2. Addition of these two factors we will have to find out. That will be equal to 3i cap plus 4j cap plus k cap plus I cap minus j cap minus k cap, which will be equal to 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 I cap plus 4 minus 1 j cap plus 1 minus 1 k cap, which will be equal to 4 I cap plus these 3 j cap. This will become 0, and therefore factor phi1 plus factor phi2 comes out to be 4 I cap plus 3 j cap, and therefore magnitude of this factor phi1 plus factor phi2 will be equal to square root of this phi x square plus phi y square, that is 4 square plus 3 square under root, which comes out to be square root of 16 plus 9, which is equal to square root of 25, which comes out to be 5 units. So magnitude of factor phi1 plus factor phi2 comes out to be 5 units. Now let us see numerical number 3, which is given as for vector phi1 equal to 2i cap minus 3j cap and vector phi2 equal to minus 6i cap plus 5j cap, determine the magnitude and the direction of vector phi1 plus vector phi2. So again for this numerical, vector phi1 is given as 2i cap minus 3j cap, vector phi2 is equal to minus 6i cap plus 5j cap, and we have to find out the magnitude of vector phi1 plus vector phi2 as well as the direction of vector phi1 plus vector phi2. So first of all we will find the sum of vector phi1 and phi2. that is factor v1 plus factor v2 will be equal to 2i cap minus 3j cap plus minus 6i cap plus 5j cap, which will be equal to 2 minus 6 I cap plus minus 3 plus 5 j cap, which comes out to be minus 4 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 4 I cap plus 2 j cap, which will be written as Vx I cap plus Vy j cap, where Vx will be minus 4 and Vy will be equal to 2. And therefore magnitude of factor v1 plus factor v2 will be equal to square root of vx square plus vy square. Though vx is minus, square of minus comes out to be plus, and therefore that's 4 is taken as it is instead of minus 4, and therefore square root of 4 square plus 2 square, which comes out to be under root 16 plus 4, which is equal to root of 20, which will be equal to root of 20 means 4 into 5, square root of 4 is 2 and under root 5, so 2 root 5 units, that will be the magnitude of factor v1 plus factor v2. Now let us see direction of factor v1 plus factor v2 will be given by the formula tan theta will be equal to vy by vx. Tan theta is equal to vy by vx. Therefore tan theta will be equal to 2 by minus 4. 2 by minus 4, which comes out to be minus half. But tan theta minus alpha, that is tan of 180 minus alpha, is equal to minus tan alpha, is equal to minus tan alpha, and therefore as minus half is equal to this minus tan alpha, therefore minus minus on both sides will become plus, and therefore tan alpha will be having its value half, and therefore we can write tan alpha equal to half, or alpha is equal to tan inverse of half, which comes out to be 26 degree 34 minute. So this is the value of alpha, and therefore theta will be equal to 180 minus alpha, that is theta is equal to 180 degree minus 26 degree 34 minute, which comes out to be 153 degree 26 minute, and this will be the angle theta, which will be made with positive direction of x-axis. So this is the angle made with positive direction of x-axis. And now let us go for numerical number 4, which is given as find a vector which is parallel to factor phi equal to I cap minus 2j cap and has a magnitude 10, and therefore in this numerical the given data is factor phi is equal to I cap minus 2j cap. Now for this vector, let u be the parallel vector that we have to find out, whose magnitude is given equal to 10, and therefore let factor u be parallel to factor phi. Let this factor u be parallel to this factor phi, and therefore first of all we will find the magnitude of this factor phi. So phi is equal to magnitude of factor v will be equal to again square root of vx square plus vy square, that is 1 square plus this 2 square, which comes out to be under root 1 plus 4, which is equal to root 5. So this is the magnitude of factor phi. Now factor u and factor v will be related as factor u equal to k into factor phi, where k is equal to magnitude of factor u upon magnitude of factor phi, and therefore we can write k is equal to magnitude of factor u upon magnitude of factor phi, that is 10 by root 5. Taking this 10 under root, it will become 100, and therefore this will be written as root of 100 upon 5. So this will be also 5, that means we have taken its square, which comes out to be square root of 20. Square root of 20. We have taken square of this, and therefore we will get root of 20 equal to square root of 4 into 5, that will be equal to 2 root 5. 2 root 5. And therefore vector u will be equal to, from this relation, k into vector v, that is 2 root 5 into I cap minus 2 j cap. Multiplying I cap and 2 j cap by this 2 root 5 will get 2 root 5 I cap minus 4 root 5 j cap. This will be the required unit vector, that is the vector u, which will be parallel to vector phi. And now let us see next numerical, that is numerical number 5, which is given as numerical number 5 is stated as, show that the vectors vector A equal to 2 I cap plus 5 j cap minus 6 k cap and vector B equal to I cap plus 5 by 2 j cap minus 3 k cap are parallel. And therefore, for this numerical given data is vector A is equal to 2 I cap plus 5 j cap minus 6 k cap. Then vector B is given I cap plus 5 by 2 j cap minus 3 k cap. And we have to show that vector A and vector B are parallel to each other. Now, we know that if two vectors are parallel to each other, then their vector product is equal to 0. If the vector product of two vectors is 0, then the vectors must be parallel, and therefore we will find out the vector product of two vectors, that is vector A cross vector B, which will be written in the form of a determinant, that is I cap, j cap, k cap, 2, 5, minus 6, that is ax, ay, az, and 1, 5 by 2 minus 3, that is bx, by, and bz. Solving this, we will get I cap, this I cap into 5 into minus 3, that is minus 15, minus 5 by 2 into minus 6, which comes out to be plus 15. So I cap into product of these two minus product of these two. So this will be minus 15 plus 15 I cap. Then minus j into 2 into minus 3, that will be equal to minus 6, minus 1 into minus 6, that is plus 6. Then plus k cap into 2 into 5 by 2, that is equal to 5, minus 1 into 5, that is 5. So 5 minus 5, k cap. Then minus 15 plus 15 will be 0, minus 6 plus 6 will be 0, 5 minus 5 will be 0, and therefore this vector product will be equal to 0. As vector product of A and B is 0, therefore we can say that vector A and vector B are parallel. So vector A and vector B are parallel to each other.